This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Watch List and Market Report for the week ending October 7th, 2023. Our question this week is, what is Uptober? The answer will be provided later in the video. This week, the market ended mixed. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 0.87% on Friday, but was down minus 0.3% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 1.18% on Friday and was up 0.48% for the week. The Nasdaq increased 1.6% on Friday and was up 1.6% for the week. Looking at the week, we can see that there were 8 up finishes versus 7 down finishes for the major indexes. On Monday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average finished down, while the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq finished up. On Tuesday and Thursday, all the major indexes finished down. On Wednesday and Friday, they all finished up. New unemployment claims were 207,000. Private payrolls rose 89,000 in September, while non-farm payrolls soared by 336,000 in September, defying expectations. Mortgage demand fell 6% for the week to the lowest level since 1996, and the 10-year Treasury yield hit 4.8% on Tuesday, a 16-year high, before retreating slightly by Friday. New unemployment claims rising below expectations, non-farm payrolls soaring 306,000, mortgage demand dropping by 6%, and the 10-year Treasury yield hitting a 16-year high are all news. And news drives the market, good and bad. Day-to-day predictions on whether the market is going to go up or down are virtually impossible because predicting the news is impossible. However, the market is rigged to go up. It does not go up every day or even every week, but the market will generally go up over time. Stock prices move in a random fashion. They go up and down with an upward drift. Now we are at our question of the week. What is Uptober? Well, this September, Bitcoin increased for the first September since 2016 and for only the third September in 10 years. This is significant because September has historically been a bad month for Bitcoin. In fact, September is referred to as Rectember because it is usually a down month for Bitcoin. Conversely, October has been historically a good month for Bitcoin, so Uptober is an amalgamation of the two words up and October. The average October increase for the price of Bitcoin is over 22%. Bitcoin increased about 4% during the first week of October this year. Do you think Bitcoin will meet its October average of over 22% this year? Do you have Bitcoin or stocks affected by Bitcoin? Or do you own any stocks at all? If not, why not? Is it because you do not understand anything about the stock market? Well, it was not taught to you in school. If you ever want to learn how to get wealth and income through the stock market, you are going to have to teach yourself. You must RSI, that is, read, save, and invest. Formal school taught you how to read, but society and the powers that be discourages you from reading, especially books. School taught you to be a worker. They did not teach you how to be an investor. And they taught you absolutely nothing about the U.S. financial system. You can learn how to be an investor if you simply start reading books and watching YouTube videos about investing. However, books and videos will not tell you which direction the market is going to go, but you can learn how to make money in the market no matter what the market does. I don't know which way the market is going to go on a daily basis, and I don't care. I trade the market as it is, not as it should be. I take what the market gives me, whether it's going up, down, or even sideways. How do I do that? I apply the Southside strategy. You can learn more about the Southside trading strategy at SouthsideSchoolOfFinancialFreedom.com. Here is the Southside Trading Watch List from the week ending October 7th, 2023. The strongest performer on the list this week was United States Natural Gas, ticker symbol UNG in the third column. It increased 4.45% on Friday and was up 13.32% for the week. United States Natural Gas, or UNG, is a natural gas fund that primarily invests in natural gas future contracts that are traded on various commodity exchanges throughout the world to track the price of natural gas. The fund allows investors to participate in price movements of natural gas without actually buying or selling natural gas and or natural gas contracts directly. Looking at a summary of results, you can see that UNG has decreased more than 45% year to date. I did not generate cash flow from UNG this past week. Whether a stock goes up or down, you can generate cash flow from it. Whether you own a stock or not, you can still generate cash flow from it using the Southside strategy. The Southside trading strategy involves trading for weekly cash flow, that is, trading for income. SPY is shown at the bottom of the third column. SPY is the S&P 500 ETF. This is the benchmark I compare my trading performance to. My objective is to beat the S&P 500 index while at the same time generating cash flow. Most professional money managers do not consistently outperform the S&P 500 index. They usually lose and lose badly to the index. Thus, most investors and traders should just invest in or trade a market index fund or ETF like SPY. What do? Do you beat the S&P 500 index? Do you have a watch list? What is your investing and or trading strategy? How well do you do against the S&P 500 index ETF SPY? Let me know in the comments section. Are you willing to share your strategy? The Southside portfolio cash flow system is outperforming the S&P 500 ETF SPY. The Southside portfolio is up 22.86% versus 12.32% up for SPY, a difference of 10.54%. The Southside is beating SPY by about 10.5%. The cash flow generated by the Southside cash flow system for this week was 1.73% of the portfolio account value. The account value changed by minus 1.56%. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 ETF SPY changed by 0.48%. Bitcoin watch. Bitcoin gained 3.84% this past week and still appears to be on the verge of a bull market. Though it is down more than 59% from its all-time high, which was achieved in November 2021, it is up more than 69% year to date. I sold option contracts on 5 positions this week, 4 calls and 1 put, that range from $5.34 to $35.34. You can get more details, including the total dollar amount of cash flow for the week, on the website SouthsideSchoolOfFinancialFreedom.com. To increase your financial IQ and understanding of the stock market, please check out our publication and past videos for other questions of the week. The videos are organized in playlists levels 1, 2, and 3. They are also arranged in playlists by subject matter. In the meanwhile, please like, share, and subscribe.